Ayan, good morning guys. Ayan po, pumunta tayo sa Angel's Pizza sa may Balibago Complex. Dahil nag-crave ang aking asawa, so tara puntahan natin at bumili tayo ng pizza. So mayroon nga po pala silang mga buy one take one. So tara na at pumasok sa kanilang looban. So makikita nyo nga po pala pagpasok nyo, malinis ang kanilang loob at medyo presko dahil sa malamig. Ayan na nga po pala, umorder na siya ng pizza. So hintayin na lang po natin ang pag-release. Ayan po, meron po ba silang mga pizza, meron din chicken wings, may pasta, may juice na kanilang sariling gawa. At ayan na nga po pala ang aking anak na napaka-cute niya. Labas ang ngipin, bungi-bungi naman. So habang naghihintay tayo, tara at silipin ang kanilang loob. Ayun, medyo maganda ang ngiti niya kasi makakain na siya ng pizza. Happy yarn. Ayan na nga po pala ang loob nila. So pwede rin po kayo mag-dine in or pwede rin take out sa mga gustong umorder. So pinutol ko nga po pala muna yung video para makita kung magaano kasarap pa. Oh, sarap naman kuya niya. Pahingi naman arm. Sarap. Talaga naman nagpakita. Oh. Dandahan naman. Medyo makunat lang kaunti, no? Pero ayos. At balik nga po pala tayo sa video. Ayan na, na-release na po or nakuha na natin yung pizza. So buy one take one po siya. So happy yarn. At yan po ang kanilang contact number. Ayan na, binuksan na natin ang kanilang, ano nga to? Yan nga po pala ang kanilang all meat na tinatawag. Meat all pala. Okay, happy yarn. Kain na.
Ang tawag dito sa mga bilog, daddy.
Ito raw na.
Sa mga bilog.
All meat.
Okay, gusto ko pa rin ng pepperoni.
I've worked it all out with science. It is. Would you like to teach the children simple science? It would be my pleasure. Let's start by doing an experiment.
What is an experiment?
It's a way to find something out that we don't know. Like, how many children does it take to lift Madame Gazelle?
100! 1000!
You're all just guessing.
What's the answer?
I don't know, but we can use an experiment to find out. Who wants to try and lift Madame two-headed with two children? Let's try three children. Three children lift
Ito, ano, meat.
Alin to?
Ito, happy. Meat din yan, Lay. Meat din yan. Tinatanggal mo.
Very good, but the tower looks a bit wobbly. How can we make the tower less wobbly? Fantastic! Elephant is a clever.
Can we do more experiments? Saan po yan?
Who can tell me their
Mama?
favorite game?
Jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
And what do we need to make a muddy puddle?
Dirt and water.
Ito sa una lang.
Mix them together to make a muddy puddle. Emma, please test the puddle. And the ball. Please jump again, Emma. And making muddy puddles is a bit like making concrete. Concrete is what we're using to make your new
Ito na, kain na.
start off wet,
Ano naman lang.
mud, then it sets and goes
Gusto pa lang iiwan.
right now. It's gloopy like custard. Let me show you get out before the concrete goes hard. Jelly pig is nothing. Don't worry, jelly pig. All of you
Hindi naman maanghang eh.
Ay, ba't nagbawa ka niyan? Hindi pala manghang.
Siyempre yung basket ko.
Tara nung ano, happy oh, kumain na. Tirahan to.
Anything else? My goodness, this food is the best of the lot.
Painom konting coke.
It fits my dinosaur perfectly. And you can visit the museum anytime you like to see them. Children are free, and you, sir, get in half price because you are old. Can I ask where you dug up such a treasure? Or digging must stop until an expert has been to investigate.
Mami,
Then maybe other
kakain pa ako sa parang niya.
and we can't dig here anymore
Tuloy laro ngayon.
until diggers come.
Bakit?
Just about here.
Wala kayo laro, happy? Ha?
Yung Saturday, ano nga, Saturday.
Wala. O Saturday sila.
Yung Saturday.